Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the fresh food door gasket in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flathead blade screwdriver, a plastic mallet, a heat gun, and some petroleum jelly. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new fresh food door gasket. A lot of times, the gasket will be twisted and deformed because of the packaging. You can either stretch it in the sun or put it in a bathtub with hot water for some time. The fresh food door gasket provides the airtight seal around the refrigerator door, keeping the cold air inside the compartment. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it wears out and breaks, allowing the cold air to escape. Before we start the process, check if you got the right gasket. Open the door and place the new gasket over the old one. If it fits, we can start the repair. Empty out the door shelves and remove the bottom door shelf bar. Using the flat blade screwdriver, pry out the old gasket from the groove and then pull the gasket off the door completely. This is the old fresh food door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Make sure the groove and the surface around it is clean and start the installation of the new gasket. Place the new gasket on the door with the edge facing the groove. Starting in one corner, press the gasket edge into the groove. Using your finger, push the edge of the gasket to the cabinet so the magnet strip will engage the metal cabinet. Continue installation at the opposite corner and then around the door. Use the plastic mallet to pound the gasket into the groove. Let's close the door and check if the door gasket is sealing properly and there is no gaps between it and the cabinet. If there are any gaps, use the heat gun to soften the gasket and shape it up. Keep the heat gun away from the gasket and move it constantly or you'll melt the gasket. Put some petroleum jelly on the gasket. Install the door shelf bar. Close the door again and keep it closed as long as possible. That also will help to shape up the gasket. And plug the fridge back in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.